If you want to make sure your SurveyMonkey survey looks and works the way you expect before sharing it with anyone, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to test it. Testing your survey is one of the most important steps because it helps you catch formatting issues, broken logic, confusing questions, and anything else that could affect the response experience. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey homepage, sign into the account that contains the survey you want to test. After you're logged in, look for your survey inside your dashboard. Click on the survey you want to review so you can open it and access the editing and preview options. Now that your survey is open, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct project. This is especially important if you manage multiple surveys because testing the wrong one can waste time and create confusion. Once you've confirmed the right survey is selected, look for the preview option. In SurveyMonkey, previewing is the easiest way to test the survey exactly as a respondent would see it. Click on Preview. This will open the survey in a test view so you can move through the questions and see how everything appears on screen. As you go through the survey, pay attention to the wording of each question, the layout, the answer choices, and any skip logic or branching rules you may have added. This is your chance to make sure the survey feels clear and professional from start to finish. Go through every question one by one. Try selecting different answers if your survey contains logic, because that can help you verify whether the correct follow-up questions appear. If there are required fields, check that they behave properly. If there are rating scales, drop-downs, or multiple choice options, make sure they display correctly and are easy to understand. The goal here is not just to see the survey, but to experience it exactly like a real participant would. If you notice anything that looks off, go back and edit the survey before publishing it. That could include fixing grammar, changing answer choices, shortening a question, adjusting skip logic, or improving the layout. Then return to preview again and test it one more time. It's always better to catch those issues now rather than after you've already sent the survey to your audience. Once you've reviewed the full survey and confirmed everything looks good, you'll know it's ready to share. Testing before launch can save you from messy data, poor completion rates, and avoidable mistakes. That one preview step can make a big difference in the quality of your results. So that's how to test a SurveyMonkey survey in just a few simple steps. Go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, and click Preview to review the experience before publishing. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.